Hi friends, thanks for tuning in to Tiffkneebaby TV today. You've tuned in for another Beauty Sparks banger. I'm here to redeem myself from that high pony unit, so I need you to hit that subscribe button right now before we get started. I promise you it's going to be fire. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know. I'm going to show you from start to finish how I install this unit. I will give you my final thoughts, and as well as all of the information that you need will be done in the description box. So I'm going to go ahead and drop the intro, and then you'll get to watch me work. Alright friends, today we're going to be reviewing and installing Didi. Didi is a cornrow unit from Beauty Sparks. This unit has a retail value of $130. That does not include shipping, but this is what the unit looks like straight out of the package that she sent it in. Here's the back. This is a full lace unit, so you get natural looking braids 100% of the perimeter all the way around the unit. The knots are pre-bleached and are stitch braids. The braids down to the ends are very full and very well done. There is no fraying, there is no split ends. These ends look perfect. This unit does come with 4 combs. There's 1 comb in the crown underneath where these braids are here in the top. I'll probably cut that comb out because in my experience in wearing these braided units, that comb up there can be a little bit irritating over time. This unit also has 2 combs on the sides and 1 in the very back on the edges of this pre-sewn in adjustable elastic band. It is the type of elastic band that adjusts like a bra strap, can be unhooked, and can be easily removed if you would prefer not to wear the unit with this additional strap. This unit did come with baby hairs across the front, which I will take down and we will cut. But let's go ahead and get into Didi, guys. I'm super excited. You guys know that I love Beauty Sparks. I love working with them. I think that the work that they do is just bar none. I think that they take the time and do everything that they need to do in terms of bleaching the knots. Just the time, the detail, and the attention that they pay to their units is amazing. All right, so directly onto my head. It is a little bit of work getting it on and getting it situated. I won't lie to you guys. I recommend putting on the elastic band first and then pulling your lace down and tucking that comb underneath that elastic band was the best way that I could get it on here and get it on here securely. But I do think that once you get it on there, you can rock this unit glueless if you want to. This is very secure on my head. This isn't going anywhere. And I only have it secured with that elastic band and the 1 comb in the back. I didn't use the comb in the sides or in the crown at all. It is not tight though. I do not want you to think by any means that it is tight or uncomfortable. I can get my whole hand underneath here. So if you have a lot of hair or if you have a larger head, then this should still fit you. But definitely let her know if you know that you need a larger size cap, ask. She will always accommodate you. Coming in really closely so that you guys can see these parts, those stitches, that looks like scalp. This unit is also really lightweight. I don't know how she's done this. Some of my other braided units in the past have been a little bit heavier, but this is really, really lightweight. This is just as lightweight as that high pony unit was, and you guys know it looks way better. I know it looks way better. I love this so far. And as you can see, that bun goes up with absolutely no effort whatsoever. No, I'm not adjusting my tripod. I'll just come down so you guys can see the bun. All right, let's go ahead and start installing this. All right, now that we have it on completely, I'm gonna go ahead and tie this down and give it an opportunity to dry completely.
What's up, Tribe Squad? It's your girl Shan.
And we're back. So this should be completely dry. It's been about 15 minutes since I stopped filming. I'm gonna go ahead and actually, I was gonna take this off right away, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this lace off the back while I have my scarf as a guideline so that I'm not cutting my own hair and then I'm not cutting into the wig because I can't see what I'm doing. I do recommend that you phone a friend and have someone help you with this, or cut it off before you start to install it. That would be my hindsight is 2020 recommendation. All right, so next we need to cut our lace. For more instructions on this lace melting process that I'm doing, make sure that you guys refer back to my updated Melt Your Lace tutorial. I will leave a link for that in the description box down below, as well as on the Continue Slaying at the end of this video. All right, you guys, so I am finishing up with this installation of Didi. I think this unit is so classy and so gorgeous, you guys. This is just so well done, and it took me about an hour to install this. I won't lie to you. It is a little bit time consuming, but I can wear this for a week straight now that I have it on. As long as you tie it up and protect it before you sleep or shower, you'll be good to go. So this is not something that you have to wake up and do every day. This process is so much faster than sitting and actually getting your hair braided, and it's saving the stress of my own hair and my own edges. Honey, I could take this off tomorrow and have a completely different style if that's what I wanted to do. So yes, I highly recommend Didi from Beauty Sparks. All right, friends, so this is your final look at Beauty Sparks Didi. I adore. You guys, I cannot say enough good things about this braided company. I absolutely adore Beauty Sparks. I love working with them. Our reviews together are always amazing, and as you guys can see, this one is no exception. If you guys have any questions, I'm happy to answer them. Leave them down below in the comments for me. Make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up because this install was some work and y'all got to see all of it, honey. Make sure that you shop with Beauty Sparks. All of her information will be down below in the description box. You can also find her on Instagram, Facebook, or on her website. Thanks so much for watching Tiffkneebaby TV. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, loves. Make sure that you continue slaying with me. Bye, friends.